In this video, I'm going to show you how to insert a chart in LibreOffice Impress quickly and easily so you can turn plain slides into more visual, professional-looking presentations. Whether you're building a school project, a business report, or a data-driven slideshow, charts are one of the best ways to make your information easier to understand at a glance. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple software guides like this one. Let's jump right in. First, open LibreOffice on your computer. Once LibreOffice loads, you'll see the Start Center. On the left side, under Create, click Impress Presentation if you want to make a new slideshow. If you already have a presentation saved, you can open that existing file instead. Either way works perfectly, so choose the option that matches what you're doing. After your presentation opens, look through your slides and select the one where you want the chart to appear. This part is important because the chart will be inserted into the currently active slide, so make sure you're on the exact slide you want to edit before moving to the next step. Now go up to the top menu bar and click Insert. This menu contains a lot of different objects you can add to your slide, like images, text boxes, tables, and more. From the Insert menu, click Chart. As soon as you do that, LibreOffice Impress will place a default chart onto your slide for you. At first, the chart may look like a basic placeholder, but that's completely normal. The next step is where you can customize it. To edit the chart data, double-click the chart. This opens the chart editing mode, where you can adjust the values, labels, and overall structure of the chart to match your presentation. If you need to change the chart type, colors, or formatting, you can do that as well while the chart is selected. That gives you more control over how the chart fits into your slide design. You can make it look clean and simple, or style it to match the rest of your presentation theme. Once you've finished editing, click outside the chart to exit the editing mode and return to your slide. From there, you can resize the chart, move it around, and make sure it sits exactly where you want it. A well-placed chart can make your slide much more effective and much easier for your audience to follow. And that's it. You've now inserted a chart in LibreOffice Impress. It's a very simple process once you know where to click, and it can make a huge difference in how professional your presentation looks. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more LibreOffice tutorials, and let me know in the comments what software topic you want to learn next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.